beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, Chef KENIKA of the Kozy Kook. Thank you for tuning back in to a new video. Today's video will be an update on my garden. So let's call it an update for July. Let's get started. Without further ado, let's get head to the garden. So we're gonna start with all the plants that's right off of the back porch. Now as we walk, this is the thyme plants. This has been going. Oh, we have white butterflies. Oh, what are you doing? Sorry. Yeah, that's thyme. Seems like it's always flourishing. And then we have our tomato plant, cherry tomato plants. Now they have been not so much in production. As you can see, we have new cherry tomatoes, but since I came back from my trip a couple weeks ago, they were like very bad, in bad shape, so I had to trim a lot of leaves off. So that's why they look bare. You see, normally you would see a lot of red specks, which is the ripe. Excuse the helicopter. Yeah, normally you would see a lot of tomatoes, but no. When I came back from my trip, I noticed that they had some fungal issues going on. All the plants had fungal issues. When I mean all the plants, it was just so bad. I still see some fungal issues on them, but it's not as bad as it was when I had just came back. But they were still alive, thank God, and they were flourishing. And the fungal issue that was causing that they caught is called rust. So it's basically a fungal issue where you have to pick off the leaves and the leaves will deteriorate like this. I can see this has rust. The color, that's the color symptom of rust. You got to pick off the leaves in order for the fungal issue to not expand to the rest of the plant, and it only affects the new growth and the new growth of the leaves. That's it. But anyways, here we have the peppers. We've been harvesting a lot of peppers. And there's new growth. This is rust issues. This is the effects of the rust. This is the symptoms, how it looks. It only affects the new growth, but hopefully these don't catch it, because this started springing back. When I tell you, this plant was just so on the limb of like not going anywhere, not growing any further. That's why it's like really, really bare. It was really bushy. I had to trim off a lot of the leaves. And now we have a new pepper plant. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I have a lot of new pepper plants for my pepper sauce. And then we have the cherry tomatoes, of course. More cherry tomatoes. And then these are new pepper seedlings. And then these are also new pepper seedlings that has been transplanted. These were affected by the rust as well, but they sprung back up and were able to gain its strength back. These are also pepper plants. You can see the pepper plant right there. We have some more peppers coming in. And let's move up So this is our newly planted planter box. At the bottom row, we have onions that I transplanted a couple days ago. And I'm going to fill the rest of this bed with some more scallions and onions for the winter. The middle row is I'm going to be putting more peppers in them. And then the top row is tomato plants. And then the first original raised bed has peppers, more pepper plants. We have pepper plants coming in right here. So, and then up here, my poor okra plants. I don't know what happened. I recently planted these, and I don't know what happened. As I immediately saw this, oh, there's a sprout. There's some, oh, they're resprouting. So I cut down the previous okra plants, and it looked like they're resprouting back up. That's crazy. So I cut them down, the original one. Like, this is a stump right here. This is a stump, but it looks like it's regrowing. Yeah, I had cut them down to the soil level so it can, the roots can deteriorate back into the soil and give the soil nutrients and vitamins for the new plants. And it seems like that these stumps are regrowing with the help of the sun, the fertilizer, and the water. And then we have running pumpkin plants. Now let me show you. Ooh. These pumpkin plants have been producing male flowers, which is no good. We need female flowers, like right here. Where are they? Like all of these, those are dead flowers. All dead flowers. And it goes over there. This is not going to produce any pumpkin. But someone insists that I should leave. Like right here. This is a flower. These are flowers coming up. Hopefully they are female flowers and not male. So they can produce fruit. But yeah. This is the end of the garden tour. And thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel. This is Chef KENIKA of the Kozy Kook. Thank you again for tuning in to another update of the garden, July garden tour. Thank you for subscribing and watching the video. Please like, comment, and share for more videos like this. Thank you.